Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a link in Canva. First, open any browser. Go to the search bar and open Canva. Once it's open, click on Create a Design, and then click on Customize the width and height according to your design. Then, click on Create New Design Extension. Go to the search bar and type Google Maps. Click on Google Maps. Then click on Open. And then type the location. Click on the location. That's the way to add a location or map in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.